Hello friends, this is the DayiYang 21 volt brushless cordless impact wrench. It's a half-inch impact driver with 3 speeds. It's only the tool. It's rated at 350 foot-pounds of torque, and it comes with no bits or battery. It's $42 from Amazon. Why do I like it and recommend it? Because it's only $42, 350 foot-pounds of torque. It's got a maximum 3,200 RPMs, and it also supports 1/4-inch hex, as you see. It has an LED flashlight also. So that's my little intro to the DayiYang impact driver.